that's a response to the trends that we've been seeing. The listed markets are a fundamentally important part of our capital markets, and they're here to stay. And they are adjusting their business model to respond to the trends that they've seen. But as private market investors continue to look for returns, they will deploy more capital into those fund managers, some of which will impact the listed markets, but also they're providing capital to family businesses and other private businesses as well.
Well, just remind me what the point of equity markets will be going forward then, when we've got unicorns, decacorns, centicorns, you name it in the private market. Jeff mentioned the SPACs as well. Equity markets are just going to be the exit route for PE, yeah?
No, they're the largest and most complex businesses are always going to have a home on the public markets. They are very liquid. They allow investors to trade at much quicker, shorter maturity periods than private equity. So no, they're absolutely here to stay. I think the point that we're making is that private is continuing to grow from single digits towards 10% of overall capital markets. So still a big place for those listed markets, but private will take a greater share.
Yeah, but the thing is, though, there's a lot more clarity when you've got a public company. You've got quarterly reporting, you've got a whole lot more listing rules as well. The dangers are there then for the private market, the fact that the investors into this sector are just not going to get the same kind of clarity as buying a publicly listed company, are they?
Yeah, I mean, the types of investors who invest into private equity are the very large, most sophisticated investors, typically sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, endowments. That have got very long time horizons, and as I say, they're not looking to trade in and out on short time frames, and they've got close relationships with the managers. So absolutely, there isn't as much public information, but there are still strong private information flows to the underlying investors.